I thought Amazon is scamming, but I was wrong. Amazon will really pay your college fees, give you a laptop, and the best, give you a guaranteed internship. But here is the truth: 90% of students who apply will get rejected. Not because they aren't smart, but because they will make one critical mistake in their application, which I will show you exactly how to avoid in just a minute. And trust me, the 2 lakh rupees plus laptop is great. But the internship is the real secret. It's a game changer that sets you apart. Hello career buddies, welcome back to Career Buddy AI, your go-to channel for internships, jobs, upskilling and future-ready career moves. I am Dona and today we have one of the biggest opportunities you will see this year. The Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship and Internship for India. We are going to cover who's eligible, what you get, how to apply, step by step, and what you must avoid if you want to maximize your chances with the selection process. First off, what is the program about? Top 500 selected Amazon Future Engineer scholars will get a scholarship of 2 lakh rupees, 50,000 per year for 4 years. Also, you will get a laptop, technical training and a potential internship opportunity at Amazon to gain hands-on work experience and industry exposure. Do you realize how massive this is? It is so much more than the financial support. It's a launch pad for students with big dreams. From mentorship by Amazonians to real-world tech internship. It opens doors that can change your career. Most students fight just to get their resume seen by Amazon recruiters. You get to bypass the entire line. There is one eligibility detail that catches almost everyone out there. We will reveal it in a moment. Talking about the eligibility, the Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship is open to female students beginning their first year of BE or BTech, preferably in computer science, IT or related streams. To be eligible, applicant must be first an Indian citizen, second have taken admission through a state or national level entrance exam, third have completed the class 12th or equivalent board exam in 2025, fourth must come from families with an annual income less than 3 lakh rupees. The tricky catch is, even though multiple branches may apply, priority is to be given to CS, IT or related disciplines, and diploma students admitted to BE or BTech courses on a lateral basis are not eligible. This one thing on your CV changes your entire career path. I will show you the step-by-step process to apply with the biggest mistake that can get you rejected in a minute. But before that, if you're serious about the scholarship and internship, smash that like button right now. Subscribe to Career Buddy AI and turn on notifications so you don't miss out more career moving opportunities. Comment below and I will pick 2 comments and give them a shout out in our upcoming video. We will also share the selection process in just a second. Right now, let's talk about the step-by-step application process. Step 1. Go to the description below and tap on the link. You will go to this website where you can see all the details. Then tap Apply Now and you will be directed to the another website of Foundation for Excellence. Step 2. Read all the detailed information given and tap Apply Now. Now fill your name, mobile number and email. After that, your application form opens. Step 3. Add your email, mobile number and choose the option No, I will create a fresh. Step 4. The application form is as shown on the screen. Fill in your details like name, gender, email, phone number, etc. In the email column, don't fill in the domain. For example, if your email is careerbuddy@gmail.com, then careerbuddy will be filled in the email and choose @gmail.com in the domain column. Make sure your mobile number and WhatsApp number are different in the application form. You will be asked to answer these 5 questions as shown on the screen in minimum 20 words. Make sure you showcase your curiosity and ambition to participate, as they will give you the cutting edge from other students. Step 5. Tap next and you will reach the second part of the application form, where you have to fill in the details like marks, fee paid, passing year, etc. of your class 10th and 12th. In the part of who helped you in the application process, you can mention our channel. Step 6. Proofread all your details and application twice and submit the form. Now, the most important thing, the selection process. The only eligibility criteria for the program are academic performance and family income. Selection of the recipient is made by Foundation for Excellence. Once student eligibility is determined, facilitators meet the prospective student or their family members virtually to determine their genuineness. After verification of family background and academic credentials, students submit their application form online along with supporting documents and an essay. The selection will happen on merit-cum application basis. Foundation for Excellence processes scholarship payments on behalf of Amazon, and payments are made in one installment before 31st March of every year. Like this if it saved your future. Subscribe for more Career Buddy boost. The deadline to apply is on November 30th, and share this with your sister who needs it.